Hi, welcome to your Ant Media Server quick tutorial video. Before we start, we want to thank you for purchasing your license. You can find your license key on your confirmation email that has been sent from Ant Media. To download the software and relevant documents, you need to log into your account on www.antmedia.io. Under the My Account section, you can manage your subscriptions via the Subscription section and download all of your documents under the Download section. Plus, you can find all of the Ant Media Server documents at www.resources.antmedia.io. Regarding support, you can ask your technical questions to support@antmedia.io and your other queries to contact@antmedia.io. We've also created a community, www.community.antmedia.io, so you can ask your questions. Besides, you can even take a look on Stack Overflow with the Ant Media Server tag. If that's not enough for you, you can always schedule a meeting with us. This part of the video is for payee hourly license owners, is valid for as many instances as you need, so you can use the same license for multiple servers. You'll be billed if your server is up and running, meaning that you need to turn off your servers when you are not using them. Lastly, you can check your detailed usage from www.license.antmedia.io. Thanks for watching the video.